Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get back formatted data from an SD card. The very first and most crucial step is to stop using the SD card right away. Any new data written to the card can permanently overwrite your lost files, making them unrecoverable. Safely remove the card from your device and prepare your computer with a good card reader. This immediate action significantly increases your chances of successful data retrieval. Once you've secured your SD card, the next step involves selecting the right data recovery software. These specialized programs work by scanning the card for remnants of your lost files, even after a format. Many reputable options provide a free trial or scan, allowing you to preview what can be recovered before committing. Choose software that supports the file types you need, like JPEG or MP4, and is compatible with your computer's operating system. Now, let's walk through the recovery process. First, insert your SD card into the card reader and connect it to your computer. Open your chosen data recovery software and select the formatted SD card as the target drive. Start a deep scan. This process can take several minutes to an hour, depending on the card's size. Once the scan completes, preview the files and select the ones you want. Crucially, save these recovered files to a different drive, not back onto the SD card. To prevent future data loss, adopt some best practices. Always back up your important files from the SD card to another storage device, like a hard drive or cloud service, regularly. Remember to safely eject the card from your camera or computer before physically removing it. Avoid formatting the card unless it's truly essential, and always use high-quality SD cards from trusted brands. These simple habits can save you from the stress of data recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.